Hello everyone, I have the honor to introduce you our small 29 by 29 millimeter reference design, aka the XCube. This small cube implements our small resolutions of the XGS sensor family, which you can see here. We have the XGS 12000, the XGS 5000 and the XGS 16000. All of those three sensors are pin compatible, and therefore the XCube will be basically the same cube, just with a different sensor soldered into it. When you receive these cubes, you'll see that they consist out of two parts with a connector, and you can take them off. The back side of the sensor is our small reference design, which you can copy, and it's available on under NDA on our image sensor portal. This outputs our high-SPI channels, which are coming from the sensors over this small connector here. And this high-SPI to MIPI converter board implements an Altera FPGA to convert 12 out of the 24 high-SPI channels into 4 MIPI data channels. MIPI is a more common standard in the industry, and you can use this also on a Raspberry Pi or a NVIDIA Jetson Nano, for example, if you want to work with AI. In order to work over MIPI with ON Semi products, you would need our Demo 3 board also, which you may recognize if you have used our demo kits before. This is to interface with the PC over the USB 3 connection. On top of this comes the EIS adapter, which you can see here. Just clicks in, and this has a flex cable which connects to the MIPI output of the cube, like this. Voila, that's it. Quite simple. Just have to power the board and connect the USB 3, and you're up and running. So now I'll connect the XGS 16000 cube. You can see it's quite a big image array compared to our XGS 5000 here. Actually, the XGS 16000 is the biggest resolution sensor in the industry, which is available on the market right now in this 29 by 29 design. So I'll connect the lens to it. This lens is not included, just for your information. And then it's as easy as connecting the boards through the flex cable, plugging in the EIS adapter, and plugging in the USB 3 cable. Now, if you have the latest DevWare already downloaded, once the sensor has initialized, just wait a few seconds, start your DevWare, and it should recognize the sensor straight away. You'll see if you have done it right, if it says that there is no frame buffer demo board attached. That's correct, because we are using the EIS adapter to connect it to over MIPI to our XGS sensor. Just press OK, and as you can see, it has recognized the sensor. It's a XGS 16000. That's correct. Here it shows the setup wizard, and we can just press finish. And it should, after a few moments, after it has uploaded our required registers to the sensor, it will start streaming. Here we have our results. You can see it's streaming. Change the aperture a bit. Voila, that's it's as easy as that. And then for the XCube, you'll see here on the right side there is a small panel added just for specific XCube functions, but you can still use the control panel to change the exposure, change the different parts of the sensor. Okay, now I'll just quite quickly to show you disconnect our EIS board, and I'll change the XGS 16000 sensor for an XGS 5000 cube. Now you'll see that it has recognized XGS 5000. Press finish, and after a few moments, voila, here we have an image, and as you can see, it's streaming. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you enjoy your day and enjoy the cubes.